So guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you how to post on Pinterest after you must have designed your pin or your design on Canva. So after designing your design on Canva, the next thing you're going to do is to post your pin on Pinterest. And this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that with your mobile phone. All right, so if you don't have a laptop, you can also post on Pinterest using your mobile phone. So this video is going to be covering how to post your Pinterest pin on Pinterest with a mobile phone. So let's go to our Pinterest app. Once you open your Pinterest app, this is how you're going to see your Pinterest app. Your Pinterest app is going to look like this. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on the plus icon down here and click on pin. And once you click on pin, the next thing you're going to do is to select the pin you want to post. Okay, so this was the previous pin we designed, and this is the pin we are going to be working with. So once you click on the pin, you click on next, and this is what you're going to see. All right, so in our previous video I designed a Pinterest pin, and this was the design we made in our previous video. So now we want to post the Pinterest pin on Pinterest. So once you click on the design you want to post and you click on it, this is what is going to pop out for you. So you're going to see title, description, link, and other stuff. So right here in the title, all you just have to do is to indicate your title. And please, when you're posting on Pinterest, you have to take note of your keywords. Okay, you have to take note of keywords. Keywords are very, very important on Pinterest. So if you don't indicate keywords, your pins won't go viral. So right here, you're required to write the title of your pin, which is how to get rid of dandruff at home. So our keyword here is get rid of dandruff. So that is our keyword here. So after you must have written your keyword, the next thing you're going to do is to give your pin a pin description. Now this part is very important. Okay, so if you want to give your pin description, this is where you're going to indicate more keywords in your pin. So right now you can see that I'm trying to indicate some keywords, which is dandruff remedy, how to treat your scalp, hair growth, hair care. So all these things are important keywords on Pinterest. Hair care and other keywords as well. So by the time you have indicated all these keywords, the next thing you're going to add is your call to action. So what I mean by call to action is read more, click here to read more, visit here to read more. So this is what I mean by call to action. Or you can decide to write click here to read more or visit here to read more. So all these are your call to action. Then after that, you go to the website, okay, and get the link. So once you go to the website, all you just have to do is to copy the link, all right, and then paste it right here where it says indicate your link. Okay, so right here you just have to indicate your link. Indicating your link is very important. Okay, if you don't indicate your link, there is no how people are going to click on your design to visit your site. So you have to indicate your link. So if you're a Pinterest, if you're working as a Pinterest VA and your duty is to post on Pinterest for someone, always indicate the person's link, and the link you're going to indicate are link that are related to what you are posting, okay, to the topic you are posting. All you just have to do is to copy the URL or the link of that particular topic and post here, okay. You don't need to copy a link of another topic and paste it here. So after you are done with that, remember, you click on the next one which says pick a board, okay. So you tap on it and select a board for this. Remember what I said about board. So if you haven't watched the video about board creation, please do well to watch that video. All right, so after you must have created your board and you want to post a pin, you have to choose a board for this particular pin. So the right board for this particular pin is natural hair care or natural hair tips, okay. That is the right board for this particular design. So the next thing you're going to do is to schedule your post. Either you schedule your post or you post it now, but for this particular pin, I don't want to schedule it, okay. If you want to schedule your post and you don't want your post to go live today, all you just have to do is to click on schedule and click on the date you want your post to go live. If you want your post to go live tomorrow, you indicate the date and the time, okay. You indicate the date and the time. But for this particular design, I want my post to go live today, okay. And also I want my post to go live now, like as at now. So when you're done, the next thing you're going to do is to click on advanced setting. Now this advanced setting, you're required to indicate all text. Now all text means this all text is for people that have screen visual issues, okay. So if you can see here, down here they say this help using screen readers understand what your pin is. You have to indicate here, which is what I usually do here is just indicate repeat the same topic here, which is how to get rid of dandruff at home, okay. So once I am done, I go back and then I click on create, okay. I click on create. So once you click on create, the next thing you're going to see, you come to your profile, your Pinterest profile, you will see the pin you just published now. So all you just have to do is just to click on the pin and then click on your visit site to check if the link is working. And once I click on my visit site, you see that it will redirect me to the blog, okay. So it took me to the blog site where you see how to get rid of dandruff at home. So that is how you post your Pinterest pin design on Pinterest.